So here we have the OptiPro PRO160P. This is a high-speed precision polishing platform for making rotation symmetric spherical and plano optics. It uses a high-speed spindle and a polyurethane polishing pad to apply the polishing process on your curved surface. The programming interface is pretty straightforward, using basic inputs for size of the optic, radius of curvature, size of the tool. You can build your tool path very quickly and start polishing optics with the proper tooling. As you get your first polished surfaces, you can go to an interferometer and measure your surface and then verify how your process is working and then make adjustments to the program. You can stack up processes where you may have a process with your polisher that does bulk removal and then maybe a few other changes and tweaks of the process to do your final figure correction. You can build all those to a very streamlined multi-step process to get your part to a finished specification. Optical shapes you cannot polish on the PRO160 are freeforms or anything that's not rotation symmetric. So it can handle spheres and planos, but it's really meant to be a faster alternative to traditional lapidary style polishing. This is for higher throughput, higher precision, quicker turnaround, less labor intensive polishing.